Hogy mi vagyunk a gyilkosok, az meg kell ölni mindenkit, az cső.
Calm time.
Várja, látod?
Aha.
Várja. Na. Megoldom valahogy fel tudjam venni dolgot.
De ez ijesztő?
Nem.
Fuck you.
Vagyis annyira nem. Jó, igazából nem értem, mindegy. Köszönje inkább.
Hello mindenkinek! Ez itt az Asafélek téma, és csak Frankie látszik a kamerán.
Jó.
Én nem látszok, mert csicska vagyok.
Ez bor.
Jó, te most kemény vagy, hogy csak kihoz bort eszöl.
Silence in love. Fucking...
Home is almost something, a kind of happiness.
Hullik a csoki, bassza meg.
Amúgy olyan jó, hogy nem is azt olvasom, ami rajta van. Jó van, kezdjük már.
Mondd meg, leesett valami.
I like the sound of the wind. Hoppá.
Oh.
Ó, mi az ott?
Oh.
Mi a fos?
Megettem.
De mi a szar ez? Várja, annyiunk. Anyád, ez mi? Ez támad?
Interact, please.
There are guests in my house.
Ah,
Ja,
this
ezek
is party.
Ja, ez vendégek? Vágom.
This is a party.
Szia, kicsi lány, de mi a rákot kell csinálni?
I don't know. I think you have to...
Szerinted meg lehet nyitni a csapot?
No.
De...
I don't... I'm fucking dying. Oh.
So fabulous! De mi a szart kell csinálni? Ó, ide menjünk be.
You... you have to go down.
Oh shit.
And there is gonna be some fucked up shit. I think.
Nem, még nem mehetek le. Akkor mit kell csinálni?
They are guessing már... Ki kell küldened őket.
Takarodjál ki! Did you notice that girl in the kitchen? I may hit on her.
Wow.
Tehát ez itt csaj. There are guests in my house, I can't leave them. Okay, I'm understanding it. But what should I do?
I don't know.
What is this? A block?
It's a window.
I came in like a winky bun. Oh, fabulous toilet. Miért ilyen... Lehet futni, jó van. De mi a fost kell csinálni? És miért van mindenki papírból? Mindegy, inkább
She's so ugly. Oh my god.
So fabulous, okay?
No.
Yes. But what should I do?
I don't know. I think you should send the guests home.
Menjél
Ez-
haza!
Fucking rölepi ingeli or...
De miért
Szab-
van everybody papírból?
Cause they are so cool. Like a paper.
Yeah, you said that. So, magically, I think. What should I do? That's absurd valami, ja, biztos, ha te mondod, akkor biztos úgy van.
Szerintem mindenkivel beszélni kell, és utána tudsz valamit majd csinálni.
De hát ha ez egy gyilkolós játék, akkor nyilvánvaló, hogy be kell zárni az ajtót, nem? Vagy valami kést felszedni.
I don't know.
I'm happy to help with dinner. Oké, dugd fel a dinert. De mi a fost kell csinálni? Valamit nagyon nem veszek észre. Ez mi? Hogyan zárjam be az ajtót? Add to interact, there are gas, drop to base.
Drop the bass.
Várjál, akkor játsszuk el az ajtóval. Drop to base.
Ezt bevágod így tényleg.
Jó, te ki vagy? My best compliments for your home is truly beautiful. Listen, to my mobile doesn't work here. Is there something you can do about that? Ja, feldugom a telefonod, és akkor működni fog, jó? De miért megy át a széken?
Cause it's bukos.
So fabulous. Okay. Let's do something, I think. No, not with this. What do you think? we should do?
I think you should
Sambadjunk.
you should talk with everybody.
But I
Maybe
talked with everybody.
blah 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 blah.
Pont. I talked with everybody.
At the piece of old technologic vagy mi?
I don't know. I'm not reading this shit. I'm Samara. Check this out. Wait. Én vagyok Samara. Yeah.
Go up.
But I can't go up
Why?
because there are guests in my house.
In your house.
There are guests in my house. There are guests in my house. Okay, so Dora, tell me what should I do?
Yes, please, girl, tell us.
Tell me what should I do?
But wait. Could you pass me the knife on the table, please?
I can give you the knife. Hogy
Yes,
érjem neki?
kill him!
Tanyád! Te megijedtem! Mi? Lekéselem, hülye vagy? Csá!
Oh shit, she's dead! Oh my god!
Hát menstruál a csaj! De csak menstruál! Nem
Oh my god, you stabbed her! You killed her! Help! Help!
Nem én voltam! Nem tudok
Oh,
mozogni!
kill everybody! Fucking calm
I'm
yourself.
going
Press
to
control.
kill everybody!
Please calm yourself. Calm down. I'm calming down. I'm calm.
Okay, calm down. I just going to kill everybody. Where are you, little children?
Go up. Upstairs.
Upstairs. Why don't we go downstairs?
Okay, then go downstairs. I don't
Okay,
fuck.
then go downstairs. Oh my fucking holy god shit. What the fuck
What
is...
the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Go.
Okay, I'm going. Oh my holy fucking shit.
Kill him. Fucking just kill him.
Okay, no, but we are dead. We are so fucked. Okay, we are so fucked. We are so fucked. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
No.
Please don't kill me.
Kill him. Kill him.
Bust meg.
What the fuck happened?
I don't know. Just go up, okay?
Oh my
I'm
god.
just going up. Oh,
Oh, to kill him.
I'm going to kill you. Hoppa, where have you? Hova a picsába mentél gyorsan? Fuck, I'm so scared.
Don't be.
I'm so scared. You don't hear that what I heard.
Oh, it's gonna be so good when I... oh my god, we don't.
It's gonna be so good when I find you and I cut you into pieces and I'm going to give you in the pigs and they are going to eat you and shit you out, my friend.
Oh! Egészséget!
Lehet ezzel játszani? Megkéselem a harfát! Hajj meg, harfa!
Hajj meg, harfa!
Hajj meg!
Please, search.
Okay, then I think let's go up.
Yeah,
I think.
yeah. That's a good idea.
Wait, let's check the kitchen.
Right, so I
What was
think
this sound? Oh my god.
you
my god.
should
Oh my
drag
god.
this fucking body down.
But the music is so scary. I don't want to go out.
Please do it.
But wait, you don't hear the music. I hear the music.
You don't remember. What?
You
What
are
is-
going to die, my friend. You are all going to die, my friend. De mi ez a song? I'm so scared. Oh, you are going to die. Die, you bitch.
Stay
Die,
away!
you son of a...
Kill him. Kill
I
him.
can't reach him. Die.
Come
Die,
on,
you
just
piece
fucking
of shit.
He's gonna fucking jump out of the window.
Oh my god, die.
Oh my god, did you see that picture?
Die.
On the fucking wall. On the fucking wall.
Stay away from me. Please don't kill me. I'm just chilling here, okay? Just don't kill me with your laser eyes, okay? Why are you watching at me? Don't you looking at me like that? We are back with a big fail. Sorry, woman and man. I don't know what it is. So
Biggest fails.
is love in such a place.
My home is almost something akin to an unexplainable prison. Why the chirping and the sparrows and the breath of a wine are my sole company.
Wind, not
I
wine.
like the sound of the wind. So we should kill the little girl first, you say that?
In the kitchen!
Drop the base.
You have to pass him a fucking knife. But you don't pass him a knife, you kill him.
Okay, check this out. We don't need you.
Somebody saw me that I'm pedophiling this little girl.
Yeah, I killed her and I hacked her. Like, you know, with a big help I killed. Yeah, go out everyone.
Oh my god, everybody is running out like the fucker.
Everybody going to die. Again and again and again you are going to die.
So we first need to go down to
Yeah, to this little bitch.
kill this. My fucking god, I don't want to do this again. It's so scary. Okay, I close my eyes. Okay, Becky, come. Oh,
Oh!
bitch. Okay, just don't look at her, okay? Vagy, I think I'm going to...
Ne szúrd le! Nem menjünk el.
Nem szúrom, csak nézem, hogy nehogy a hátba támadjon. Hol a lépcső? Itt van, jó, oké. Menj már föl, te csöves!
Oh my god, you... Okay.
Go away! De ez előbb nem kifutott, most őszintén. Oké.
De visszajött, mert olyan bátor.
Hogy ő majd lerúg minket.
Te nem rúgsz le egy senkit, tesókám.
De mi ez a song? I hate this song. Why is this megy? Ilyen zongora, de az a igazi félelmetes zongora.
Uh-oh.
What a nice hat have you have there. But I'm going to kill you. Because I'm a motherfucker pedophile.
Mondd el még egyszer ezt a pigeset.
Pigeset?
Oh,
I'm gonna
I'm going to cut you into pieces and give them to the pigs and you are going to die and they are going to eat you and they are going to shit you out because you are running.
Oh,
Picsába, de megijedtem. Holy fucking shit.
Oh,
That was so fucking scary.
You don't know how scary it was, isn't you?
Oh my fucking god, leave me alone. Why are you doing this? I'm going to kill everybody and I'm going to shit you down. Where have you been, my friend? My little lover, where have you go?
where have you been all my life?
Where have you been all my life?
Such a beautiful...
Oh, but I have to have you nice have there.
Oh my god, it's a duck! Like a motherfucking stuck.
And I'm going to kill you with a knife.
Stuck.
What you looking at, sir?
You're just being rude. Don't
This is
cry.
a knife, okay? You can run. I will let you. No!
I will let you... No.
I
Hello,
don't kill
girl.
anybody.
What you looking at, sir?
Okay, so I think we should go down and leave that body there. Why don't we throw it out of the window? Okay, I don't care, just go.
Because this is not fucking Hitman Absolution.
I shit it down,
This is just a fucking... I don't know.
but the physics is the best ever in my life.
Yeah, best game ever. Ever.
Best graphic ever, you say, in your life. So I think we should check the toilet first.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Toilet.
need the
that
music,
is-
so somebody is here somewhere. Because the music always come when somebody is here.
Or you going to die here.
No, I'm not going to die.
End of this game. Kill everybody and then this bitch kills you. Here.
I don't think that bitch kill me. I don't want to die.
That bitch gonna kill you. So...
So fucking interesting. Okay, so I can hear the music, but I can't see the somebody that I need to kill.
Go up. No.
We
Go
was
down.
up.
Go down again.
No,
Go
I don't want to go down again. Shit you down. I don't. We are
Oh.
going to go out. Holy fucking shit.
Okay, this is like fucking... What they call that fucking shit?
Slenderman.
Yeah. You're
My
so...
god, this is so scary. What a nice have. Holy
Ooh.
fucking shit. Okay, so... We don't go there. No, we don't go there.
Slender Man. Oh my god. This is Slender Girl. She's white
So
like
we don't go there. We are going to
fucking-
kill everyone, but not that girl.
that girl is so
What
rude.
you looking at, sir?
What you looking at, sir? You are being rude. Oh my god, it's fucking Slender. What
Oh
the
my
fuck?
god, we are need to go down on that sheet. But I want to slice on the slice. Csúszd le akarok csúszni.
Slide.
I shoot you down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. So scary.
There's the girl. I think you... Dad, I think you killed someone.
No, I'm not killing anyone.
I don't...
What is this?
You have to... back up 20, I think.
Why can't I back up 20? Okay,
What
so
you look at,
please,
sir?
can I ask you something? Don't! Please don't! Just don't, okay? Just stop it. Don't watching at me, because I'm going to kill you again. And your soul is going to die again. And again. And again. Csukd be a szemed! Nem késeltem meg? Most csukd be! Ha! You are not scary enough to scare me.
That was a good one.
I'm the strongest woman in the world ever you've seen in your life. So okay, let's check the other side, I think. Da-dum-dum-dum.
The other side of me.
The other side, the other. Okay, so, oh my god.
There's a fucking bitch. God.
I'm a little pedophile.
We know that.
De én nem akarom megölni a kisgyereket.
Come on,
Új,
bitch.
ne sírjál már.
Don't cry. It's not...
Don't you dare fucking watching at me, okay? Just leave me alone.
Leave me alone, please.
Ain't nobody scared of you.
This is fucking Miley Cyrus, oh my god.
Die, you son of a shit. I'm a fucking killer.
I can feel like a wrecking ball.
I came in like a kitchen knife, and I'm going to kill everyone, even my wife's side too.
Cause you don't fucking scare.
Don't fucking scary enough to scare me. Yeah, you don't fucking scary enough to scare me. I think it's like that. Oh my god, szamarakút, oké, egy óránál.
Szamarakút egy óra.
Oh,
Meg-
somebody there.
This is not a fucking coot. Oh shit!
So
kid.
scary. Die, ma, again. Die, you son of a shit. I don't want to play it again. Die, again. You scary enough to scare me the shit out. Yeah, okay. Okay, you scary enough to shit the scare out of me. That. I'm so scared. Ki van még? Még van az a szemüveges csávó, nem?
I don't know. Someone is... Még valaki van, ja. Hányan voltak?
Anyád. Még van
Vagy-
az a narancsárga hajú csávó,
Jó.
meg a szemüveges csávó. De miért van itt vér? Hát ez nem... Várjál. Oké, mehet tovább.
I don't...
I
No.
don't trust you!
What is this? Is this a fence or what?
Hát ez az a teniszkerítés, vagy mi a fos háló.
Whoa!
I'm so scared. Please don't kill me! No! Oké, kövessük a vért szerintem. Szerintem valaki megsebesült, de lehet, hogy ez az a csávó, nem? Akit az előbb lekéseltem, és azt húzta maga után a vért.
Yeah.
Azt húzta maga után, és tudok beszélni.
It can be.
Holy fucking shit!
What?
Why can't I find? Én vagyok a best... Nem, én vagyok a legrosszabb gyilkos az egész világon. Nem találom meg a gyilkosságos embert. Okay, so where are you hiding? I'm not killing you, just tickling you with a knife. It's not painful.
No, it's not.
I'm going to kill you. Oh, I hear the music, so it's somebody here.
Wow.
I can hear the music, so you are here. You are going to... Megijedtem.
Shit!
Dögöljél meg, te csöves, hol vagy?
Oh my...
Holy fucking shit. Please. Leave me alone. Oh
Okay, one more time.
my
One-
god, but it's so scary.
How many have you have? I don't know.
I don't want to do this. So scary. I'm scared the shit out.
Kill someone. Go up or
And- Wait, let's check the toilet first.
again.
I'm so scared.
Oh,
I want to stop it.
You can't.
But why?
You have to play.
Oh my god.
Here is gonna be this fucking.
I hate you. Why don't you can't leave me alone?
No, there's gonna be somebody. Go, go, go.
But
Kill-
this is the Samara woman.
No, yeah. But
You see, she's shitting in the toilet. Why are you shitting it? Flush it down.
oh my god.
My god. So gusztustalan. Húzd már le. Flush it. So let's go upstairs, I think. Okay, you are dead. You're dead like a motherfucker.
You dead.
Oh my god, I hate that narancsárga hajú gyerek. Where are you? I want to kill you and end this game.
Dad, I think you killed someone.
I don't care. Don't question me. Fuck.
This is such a son of a bitch. Oh my
I
god.
hate you. Menstruáljál már máshol, lehúztad a WC-t? Mi ez egy csirke amúgy?
Dog. It's a
Aj,
fucking
wait,
dog.
I hear the music. Where are you?
Where have you been all my life?
I can hear you. Oké, közeledünk, van egy olyan érzésem.
Oh, cool.
You're going to die.
Cool story, bro.
Where are you, my friend?
Oh,
My god, that picture!
dog.
Wait, the boy's there. Wait.
you're gonna fucking die.
Die, you son of a bitch. I want to end this game right now. Don't you dare fucking run away from me.
How fucking fast he's running. Oh,
Amúgy annyira fabulous, hogy le van késelve, de fut, mint állat. No,
Yeah.
don't! Fuck you!
YOLO!
No, please.
I live in a small cottage sold from the tower. Silence is love in such a place. My home is almost something I kind of scared about prison.
Oh my god.
Why the chirping, the sparrows, and the bird of vine are my sole company. I like the sound of the vine.
Becsukom a szemem.
So calm.
What's happening?
So
This
calm.
sound. I'm so scared. Can I open my eyes?
There, lights, blah blah blah. Yeah, you can.
Oh.
But that game. End of the game.
Okay, so that was a little scary game, but
Stop.
I love it.
It was a good game, I think.
Yeah, it was a good game. Next time, Frankly... Nem Franklin. Következőnek Frankie fog játszani, és én fogok itt visítozni.
Yeah.
Na. Sziasztok!
Bye.
Hello mindenkinek, Szinti vagyok, és itt van velem.
Frankie.
És itt az Otterfield Like csoport.
You're fucking playing.
Az előbb játszottam, most Frankie-kel fog.
Hogy kezdjük. És
Szopocskálni.
fucking rangos lesz, úgyhogy bocs előre is.
Majd lehalkítom.
Okay, mehet.
Már.
I live in a small
De várjál, én a Skype-ol le tudom halkítani.
Then do it, please.
Oké, csak wait. Oké, it's good.
Can I... Oh my god, look! I can fucking... look
Yes, you can
around.
turn your... But why is my picture so big? I want to picture myself down. Yes, like this. Okay.
Oh.
Okay then, so... Go into the kitchen.
Hello. What the
Yum.
fuck? I'm happy to have with dinner. You know, To be honest, I shouldn't be here. Have you seen the kitty in some other room? I supposed to babysit him, but as soon as I know about this party, I couldn't help but come. Could you pass me the knife on the table, please? I cut the bread so we can serve it.
Drop the bass.
Yeah. How do I pick it?
E betű, E betű. Okay, then kill it with left click.
Kill it with fire.
Before it
Drop
resets.
the face. Oh my god! Hello, my friend.
Killing Gayad.
Oh my god, you killed someone.
You killed her, Dad. Oh my God, you stabbed her, you killed her. Help, he killed, stabbed her with a kitchen knife. Please go.
Why do I have to control Izzy?
Mert ha googolsz, akkor nem hallják, hogy jössz, érted? Nincs lépted.
Yeah.
Jéééé.
I'm gonna kill everybody here.
Szóval most le kell menned, igen.
No, I don't want to go there.
Én is lementem, pedig én fontosabb vagyok, mint te. Na itt viszont googoljál. Nyugi, nem bánt igazából.
But it's so fucking hangos.
Nem baj.
Yay.
Menjél.
Oh my god. You are so beautiful.
You are
What?
the most beautiful girl.
What do I have to do here?
Megnyomni azt a gombot ott a falon. Nem bírom nézni.
Nem akarom!
Nyomd meg, nem lesz semmi baj. Elcsúszott a kép. Bugos a Skype.
Cool story, bro. Akkor can I abba hagyni?
Nem hagyhatod abba, menned kell tovább.
I don't want to fucking...
Gyerünk, nyomd meg, nem félelmetes. Do it.
It's so fucking hangos, lehakítom addig. Okay, what happened?
Fordulj meg. Kilépett a játékról.
Oh my god! Did you recorded it?
Yes, I recorded it.
Oh my god!
Nem bírom, kész.
I just have a heart attack. I think I have a heart attack.
Okay,
That bitch
csak-
is here. That bitch is here. That bitch is here. That bitch
Oké,
is here.
kezdjük újra.
No, I don't want to play this shit.
De én is megcsináltam.
Yeah. I don't want it to. I don't want to do this shit.
Haláli.
Oh my god. Fuck you. Oh my god. Fucking shit game. Shit, fucking shit. Fuck that shit. I can go.
Várjál, majd én leszek a kislánynak a hangja, jó? Te legyél a gyilkosnak a hangja, én leszek a többinek. Calm down, my friend, it's just a game. Ha én megcsináltam, te is... Ó, a fasz.
Szarabb, mint az Amnesia, bazd meg.
Ha én megcsináltam, akkor te is meg tudod csinálni. Miért bugol megint a Skype? Mindegy.
I want to speak with this shit.
Okay, then press E.
Didn't want to come here. I miss my mom.
How dare you?
I don't like this place.
How dare you?
You don't look like a bad person. I like you.
Oh, thank you.
I don't like this place.
Ah, fuck.
I don't like this place. Leave me alone.
Okay, hey, dude.
Listen. Oh my god, kiakadtál.
Listen, my mobile doesn't work. Do you can something you can do that about? I can't read it because my picture is in the picture.
Okay.
Red hair, bitch.
Fabulous.
Do you know?
Do
Perseus.
you know, Princess, if that man with the suit jacket is married, he is no ring on his left finger.
I don't. My best compliment
My
for
best
you.
compliment for your home is truly beautiful.
The ghost should come so children.
You know what? Fuck you. I don't care.
Kill everyone. Just kill everyone.
I want
Like I
to
did.
kill everybody in this world. Hey, bitch.
I'm happy to have the dinner. You know, the owner shouldn't be here. Have you seen the kid in the other room? I'm supposed to babysit him, but as soon as I
You know
know
about
about
this
his
party, I
birthday, I
couldn't
couldn't
help
help
but
it.
drop the bass.
Could you drop the bass?
I can fucking, I'm gonna, fuck you.
I can give
Oh
you
my
the
god, this
knife
sound
and
effect.
I'm going to kill you. And cut you into pieces and give you to the pigs. Then they're going to eat you.
I
And they shit you out.
God,
And
stop.
they again eat you.
Drop the bass.
He killed her.
Ezt meg kéne majd vágni. Drop the bass.
De amúgy milyen kenyeret akar felvágni, ha az asztalon paradicsom van?
What?
Az asztalon paradicsom van, és a csaj azt fel akarja vágni a kenyeret.
Yeah,
És
because
most
he's...
lehet ne lép ki a játékból.
Oh, my fucking fucked up. Oh my god, it's so dark in here.
Don't
You're
scare,
the
it's
most
just a cat,
beautiful
okay?
dog. They call you Jabba the
Okay,
Hutt.
sing.
They call
Barney 531. He's bad!
Okay.
Okay, just go. Just go to the upstairs lecture. Then press
Fuck you.
Okay,
fuck
go.
you, fuck you. I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play this game. You are the most beautiful dog. They
Ha a
call-
zongorát hallasz, akkor van ott ember, oké?
Ah,
Igen, na
fucking...
igen, itt van akkor valahol ember. Ott bent a WC-ben, vagy valahol googolj le, ha nem Google. See? He's there. Kill her.
You are scared? I'm fucking scared.
Kill it! Kill it before it lays eggs!
Can I not run?
Yes,
Oh,
you
yeah.
can run with the shift. Faster, he are going to get away. Dad, give away.
Dad,
Dad, give
fucking
away.
try to go away from me, you fucking shit.
I'm going to cut you in pieces.
Oh my god. Come on, dude. Why are you running so fast? Dude, your arm is bleeding. Stop. I can help.
I can help, I can cut
I
it
can
down.
finish your life just in a second, so... God!
Okay, run! He is alive! Kill it!
God! Shit!
Fuck.
God!
Okay, he's dead. Calm down, calm down. It's not scary as it looks like. It's much scarier.
I just fucking have a heart attack. So cool. It's the best game ever. It's the... Yeah. La 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 la. It was so fucking cool. It was
It's blood! It's blood on the floor! Somebody's here!
I don't fucking care. I wanna finish this shit game and don't ever play again. Oh
You
my
killed
God.
one person.
Oh my
You need to
God.
kill more. Kill it! Okay, okay. Nem mindig kell leszúrni a nőt, csak úgy megjegyezném.
Why?
Nem fontos leszúrni.
Okay, how many of these motherfuckers we have? I just
Még van 3 darab. Come on, woman, you can do this. Okay, somebody's here. Kill it.
This fucking
Somewhere.
game is a fucking psychopath. Where is this? Where is this fucking shit?
Ain't nobody go there. Go to the left.
Where is this? Where is this fucking...
I do not know. You play it, not me. God damn it, this game is so scary like a shit game.
Shit.
Oh my god, okay.
I can't.
Why don't you go upstairs in the house? Because it's so logically.
Oh my god, it's so much blood in here.
Okay, just calm down, okay? There's not a problem.
I'm calm down.
Did it? That's not a problem. What you looking at, son?
You're being rude. Come on.
Elbetűt nyomja.
Okay, go upstairs. Oops, ears.
Alright, do we have something else here?
Control. Googolj le. Googolj már le. És menjél be a jobb oldali szobába. Ott. Menjél. Nincs itt senki. Oh, fuck me. Go upstairs.
So fucking dark. So fucking dark.
So fucking dark. Come on, woman, you can do this. It's so scary. I don't want to watch it.
Fuck you. Oh my god.
Go upstairs.
Oh my god.
Googolj. Control. Jó meg a control. Fuck me.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh my god. Oh.
Megkéselted a nőt? I don't want to do this. I don't want to watch it. It's so scary.
Where is this fucking shit?
Do you kill it? Kill her? Kill it! Faster! Run! Because she's going to go down to the stairs. Faster!
God, come here.
Catch
yo.
her!
Where
Did she go?
is she? Where is she? Where is she?
Look, the blood's on the floor.
Oh yeah, you are right.
I think she's gone out. Gone out.
Where?
Out.
Oh, fuck that bitch. What if she's
I said
there?
go out. Or she can go out to the toilet. To blood out the toilet, I think. Yes, you see the blood?
I fucking see it.
You are going to die like a motherfucker.
There's the other guy.
I killed everyone with a kitchen knife. I'm not even
I don't know
bad
where-
enough. I just killed everyone with a knife. Can you realize this? I killed
Don't know where is she. I don't want to play this.
everyone with a kitchen knife. Oh, where is she? Where are you, my friend? I'm
I don't
going to
fucking see anybody.
So dark.
It's so fucking dark. I
I'm
can't
killing
believe
like
this
a
shit.
whacking ball. I can hear you. We are going to die.
I don't care.
Miért tart ez neked tovább, mint nekem?
Cause I am a fucking
Loser, yes. Nem.
No.
Come on. Go in and go to the toilet, you know. Under the stairs. I think. Oh,
But somebody is here.
but where?
I don't know.
Kontrolloljál le.
Hát just a kurva fest.
Jó, de nézd már meg a ház oldalát. Másik oldalon. Úgy. Oppa. Bocsánat, elnézést kérek.
There is no one.
There is no other life in this house.
Oh, I don't want to play this shit.
Yes, you want to play. Don't you dare scare the shit out of me. Oh, I'm so fabulous.
Fucking shit game.
Menj a toiletba.
Where's the toilet?
Under the stairs. Vagyis mellette a lépcsők mögött. Mellett.
Itt?
Érted? Nem ott, nem, ott. Ahol lehúzta a WC-t a nő.
Oh,
Yeah, see it?
hey. Die.
Kill it.
I said die.
Fuck. Why are you doing this? Don't kill that woman, it's so scary. Oké, még 2 ember van. Benéztél abba a kis kazánházba?
I don't know. Yes. I think so. Yeah, you.
Oops. Googolj le.
I'm fucking googling.
Oké. Keresd az embereket.
Fuck
Fuck
you.
this bitch. You're not scary enough.
Yeah, she's fucking scary. There's 2 people.
Somebody's going to die here.
I don't care, I just want to finish the shit.
You're so scared, yeah?
Yes, and
My
never
gosh, that
play
picture.
again.
Kill it.
Twerk?
Kill it.
You want to twerk? Cause
You will twerk.
I can make you twerk. I can
Twerk
make you
me!
twerk.
Twerk for me or I'll kill you! That's not good enough!
Okay, how many do I have?
Még egy, a narancsárga hajú.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What? How
Big
did you
like
do
a
that?
motherfucking duck. What me?
In this motherfucking duck. And what the fuck
Big like
is
a
that?
motherfucking stuck in this duck. And
No
it
man,
makes
what
me
the fuck
wanna
is
cry.
that?
Like, what the fuck is that?
Wait, somebody's
I
here.
think I have to kill the duck.
No, why don't you? I don't kill the duck too. You need to kill the narancsárga hajú lány, fiú.
Where is she, he?
I don't know, I think he's a boy. Search for him.
I'm searching.
You need to kill just one person and you can find it. That's not a hard game.
It's a hard game. It's hard art for
Tehát ott
a
volt a
bitch.
nőnél ez a zene, nem? Akkor biztos ott van.
Yeah,
De nem,
but
itt van
I
valahol.
don't fucking see anybody in this fucking fuck. It's hard art for a bitch. Lily Allen, new song.
Lily Allen.
So fucking cool.
I can't see anybody. You are the most
Lens.
beautiful house. Take all your job at the house.
Take my job at the fucking
Heart.
shit. Here we go.
Change your life. Take it all.
Yeah,
Take it all. But I'm not your fun. First of the night.
Where the fuck is she?
I don't know.
Maybe
That's
I
not
should
she.
kill
He.
this. Maybe I should kill him.
I think. Where is that?
Maybe this was the last.
No. Van még a narancsárga hajú, tudod?
Yeah.
Oké, a elején észrevetted, de késed le. Okay, you killed it. So fabulous.
Killed it with fire. I'm a fucking psychopath. Shit-faced.
Go down.
You!
Fuck.
I
Go
don't
downstairs.
fucking care. I'm gonna kill everybody and finish this shit game because I'm fucking
Pissed off. I'm fucking pissed off.
Where are you? Are you in the kitchen? No? Are you here?
I'll find you.
Shit.
You're going to die.
So fucking shit. I wanna finish this game. I just wanna finish this fucking shit game so bad. Ah, here you are. Here you are. Fucking how? Don't dare. Where are you? Oh my god, I don't
Nem ment le az izére?
believe this.
Nem ment le a pincébe? Opcs! Ó, már megint ez a szarna. A Windows intézős képernyővédő.
Oh my god. I don't care.
I don't care. I just want to kill everybody.
Stop it. Thank you.
Nézd meg, hogy lement a pincébe.
I'm not gonna go there.
Why?
Because it's the shittiest place in the earth.
He's here somewhere.
There somewhere. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, please.
Okay, just...
Where are you? Oh my god.
Can you
where-
find us when, please, in this day? Like,
Wait,
you know,
I think
today
he's
or
there.
something like this?
No, he's
Go
not.
downstairs, I said.
I'm not gonna.
But he's went down.
I don't care. Please shut up. Thank you. Yeah. Fucking shit. Oh my god, de beszartam.
De beszartam, azt mondja.
Come on.
Mert amúgy, ha a
come on,
konyhába
I
menekül,
can do
akkor
it. I can
szerintem
do
is
it. I can do it. I killed everybody.
Fordulj meg!
What?
Yeah, you did it!
Thank you. Thank
You
you.
did it, bro!
Oh, that noise is fucking me up. Please stop.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you!
Stop, please. Stop. Oh my god, please stop. Tudod,
Nem
fucking
press
tartom itt a szobámba. Mindjárt beszarok. Ezek a
Press
hangokkal.
ask.
So calm, yeah, it's really calm, please. I want to stop this shit.
Ask!
Turn off. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. This
Okay,
was
say
it.
goodbye.
This was it. Oh my god. OMG.
Say goodbye.
What the fuck is this shit? I don't hear you.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye!